Alright guys, I'm going to show you a little bit about my new everyday carry bag. This is the 511 Covert 18, which is I think a 32 liter bag. Anyways, we'll go over a little bit about it. A little bit about what I have inside here. Front pocket. Pretty much all medical, and got a cat. Tourniquet. I got some trauma shears. These are the Leatherman Raptors. Chem light, Z-fold dressing, some latex gloves. I got a SWAT T tourniquet with some duct tape, and I got a couple pens here, a Sharpie. I do have another set of trauma shears. I've got a just a little Kershaw cheapo knife here, and some more gauze here. So this is mainly all medical stuff that I keep in here. That's the front pocket. I do like this bag because it has, some people don't like this bag, but I like it because it has this big beaver tail. You could put, you know, windbreakers, whatever. I even keep a pair of shoes in there if you're going somewhere you need to change of shoes or whatnot. In this little pocket, keep some hand sanitizer. This is just a little boo-boo kit with band-aids, you know, triple bionic, what am I trying to say? Antibiotics, cream. Keep some hydration stuff in here, and some batteries, some CR123s. That's what I keep in there. Getting into the main pack. Well, let's go to the sides here. I do keep a blowout medical pouch right there. It just has your standard IFAC stuff in there. On this side, I do keep an umbrella. Never know. Get caught out in the rain. It's a small one. Comes out, and you unravel it. It's pretty cool. So let me put this away. Alright, main pocket. Cheapo pair of binoculars. This is like my hygiene kit. It's in a Magpul DACA pouch. I think it's the takeout Magpul takeout pouch. I do like these. Just your toothbrush, sunscreen, deodorants, stuff like that. And keep an extra bag. This is the T-Rex Arms loot bag. It's pretty cool. It's just a fold-up bag that I keep in here. Rain jacket and a shamog in the bottom. In these pockets, I keep extra deodorant. There's some Lysol wipes and some Dude wipes in the top pouch, and the second pouch, all kind of snacks. I got protein bars, chewy bars, and some peanuts. So that's that pocket. And then zip this back up. And then in the back pocket, we have like a stash pocket or a hydration pocket behind here. I keep two DACA pouches. This one keeps just some odds and ends. Got utensils in here, some like plastic utensils, more chem lights, a flashlight, and a headlamp. And then in here, this is another DACA. This keeps all my charging cords and cables. I like these pouches because they lay pretty flat in here. So I just stack both of these here, zip that up, and And this is what I carry pretty much every day, my EDC bag. If you guys like it, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. That'd be great. Anyways, I'd like to know what you guys keep in your bag and what kind of bag you run. So let me know in the comments. All right, later.